One of the most remarkable things about cosmology is that, in some ways, our universe resembles a black hole. A bold statement, I know. But mathematically, the similarities are striking. Could it be that we are living inside a cosmic colossus, a black hole beyond comprehension? If this is true, then our entire understanding of the cosmos must be reconsidered from its very foundation. The idea of black hole cosmology was proposed decades ago. It suggests that everything we observe, the entire universe, is actually inside a black hole. For years, it was dismissed as a fringe theory, but new observations are forcing us to reconsider. If this is the case, then what we perceive as the observable universe is merely a fraction of a far greater and more complex reality. Now, recent discoveries with the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, have reopened the debate. JWST has given us a new view of the universe, revealing anomalies we struggle to explain. Galaxies that seem too old for their location, cosmic structures that shouldn't exist, and unexpected distributions of matter all hint at something deeper. Could these anomalies be the fingerprints of an underlying reality, that we exist within a black hole? A peculiar discovery. A study led by Lior Shamir found that around 2/3 of distant galaxies rotate in the same direction, while only 1/3 rotate the opposite way. This imbalance should not exist. If the universe were truly random, we'd expect a 50-50th split. The fact that we don't suggests a large-scale rotational motion that is baked into the very structure of the cosmos itself. There's only one way to explain this asymmetry. The universe itself must be rotating. If true, this aligns eerily well with the predictions of black hole cosmology. If the cosmos is indeed spinning, then it might possess angular momentum inherited from an even larger system, one that we cannot observe from within our own cosmic bubble. Are we inside a rotating black hole? If so, our entire understanding of cosmic history must be rewritten. Black hole cosmology proposes that our universe is embedded within a larger parent universe. Just as our universe contains black holes, each of which may harbor their own universes, reality could be an infinite nesting of cosmic domains. Could it be black holes all the way down? If so, this would mean that every black hole we observe in our universe may itself be the seed of a new universe, locked away beyond an event horizon. The observable universe has a boundary, the cosmic event horizon, beyond which nothing can return. This is strikingly similar to a black hole's event horizon. Could it be that our universe has the same fundamental structure as a black hole? If we are indeed within such a structure, then everything we know, including time itself, is shaped by the nature of this cosmic boundary. Astrophysicist Rajkumar Pathria and mathematician Nikodem Popovsky suggested that a spinning singularity at the heart of a black hole could prevent complete collapse. Instead of forming an infinitely dense point, the black hole could bounce, creating a new universe within. If this is the case, then black holes are not merely cosmic endpoints, but bridges to new realities. Imagine this. A black hole collapses, but instead of ending in destruction, it gives birth to a new universe. The conditions of this rebirth mimic the Big Bang itself. Could our own universe have been birthed inside the heart of an ancient black hole? If so, it would mean that our beginning was not the first, but simply one step in an endless cycle of creation. In black hole cosmology, the rapid expansion inside a black hole mirrors the inflationary period of the Big Bang. The mathematics align almost too perfectly. It's as if our universe was programmed to follow these rules. But why? What is it about the nature of black holes that enables them to spawn new realities? Einstein-Rosen bridges, wormholes, predict that black holes could connect universes. If our universe emerged from a black hole, then it may be linked to its parent cosmos through such a bridge. Could wormholes be the secret highways of the multiverse? If so, could we one day travel through them to discover our cosmic origins? If advanced civilizations reach a certain level, could they create artificial black holes to escape into custom-made universes? Is this why we see no Kardashev Type the 3 civilizations? Have they simply moved on? Perhaps the greatest civilizations don't merely expand within their universe, they leave it entirely. Our universe appears suspiciously fine-tuned for life. Is this an accident, or is it a necessity? If all black holes create universes and every universe follows similar physical laws, then perhaps intelligent life is not a rarity, it's an inevitability. If this is true, then every universe in the multiverse may be teeming with intelligent beings, each searching for the answers to their own cosmic mysteries. What if our universe was designed? What if an advanced civilization engineered a black hole to create a universe with perfect conditions? Are we living in someone's grand cosmic experiment? Could we ourselves one day reach the point where we create universes of our own? Theoretical physics predicts white holes, the reverse of black holes where nothing can enter. If black holes birth universes, do they eventually expel them as white holes? Is the Big Bang simply the outflow of a white hole in another universe? If so, then the beginning of our universe is not an absolute starting point, but rather an emergence from something even older. One of physics' great mysteries is why time moves forward. Black hole cosmology provides an answer. Our universe inherited its directionality from its parent universe. Time doesn't begin. It simply flows from one cosmic domain to another. If this is true, then the arrow of time is not fundamental, but rather a consequence of our place in the great cosmic cycle. The galactic rotation anomaly may still be an observational error. If so, our assumptions about deep space measurements must be revised. Science is an evolving story. We must remain open to rewriting the chapters when the evidence demands it. The universe is not obligated to conform to our expectations. Hawking radiation suggests black holes slowly evaporate. If our universe is a black hole, does that mean it too will one day vanish? And if it does, what happens to us? Do all nested universes fade into nothingness, or is there yet another transformation waiting beyond? If black holes lead to new universes, could the death of our cosmos merely be the beginning of another grand experiment? Can we prove we are inside a black hole? The answer lies in future observations. If we find signatures of cosmic rotation or new anomalies predicted by black hole cosmology, we may be on the brink of one of the greatest discoveries in human history. To know where we are in the vast scheme of existence would change everything. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly understand. Is our universe an isolated entity or part of a grand cosmic tapestry? Is our existence merely one thread woven into a vast, infinite structure? Science is the search for truth, and in that journey, the possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. We may never have all the answers, but the pursuit of knowledge is the closest we can come to touching the infinite.